Good morning and Jai Gurudev, my dear students. Today I am going to revise some very much important questions from the chapter number 2, Food and Health. Right? So I'm taking 5 questions, and these questions are very much important for your upcoming ... Right? So dear students, listen to me carefully, and if possible you write these questions again in your copy. So let us take the first question. What is the first question? What are vitamins? What are vitamins? What are vitamins? Name some vitamin rich food. Right? So students, you know that vitamins are one of the nutrients. Right? Vitamins are one of the nutrients. Vitamins are nutrients which protect us from various diseases and keeps us healthy and fit. What? Vitamins are diseases which protects us from various diseases and keeps us healthy and fit. So what? Vitamins are one of the nutrients which help us to fight against diseases. And they protect us from falling ill. Right? আমাৰ বেমাৰ আজাৰৰ পৰা আমাৰ বডিটোক কি কৰে? প্ৰটেক্ট কৰে। আমাৰ মানে কি কৰে? বেমাৰ আজাৰৰ পৰা আমাৰ বডিটোক কি কৰে? ৰক্ষা কৰে। ঠিক আছে? So vitamins are very much important for our body. Right? So next part of the question is name some vitamin rich food. Okay. So we get vitamins from fruits, vegetables, grains, eggs and milk. Right? So the some very vitamin rich food are fruits, vegetables, grains, eggs and milk. These are some very vitamin rich food. So let us take the second question. What is deficiency disease? What is deficiency disease? Right? The deficiency diseases occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D and iron. Right? So students, you all know about that vitamins and minerals are very much important for our body. Right? Different vitamins has different activities in our body. Right? So if these vitamins and minerals are has deficiency in our body, right? যদি এই vitamins আৰু minerals বিলাক আমাৰ বডিত কি হৈ যায়? কম হৈ যায়। if this vitamins and minerals are in deficiency in our body, so our body occurs some diseases. It occurs some diseases. So if there occurs deficiency of these vitamins and minerals in our body, there are some diseases occurs. Okay, so these diseases are called deficiency disease. Right? These diseases are called deficiency diseases. So what? The diseases which occurs due to the deficiency of certain vitamins and minerals is called deficiency disease. That means diseases which occurs due to the deficiency of certain vitamins and minerals. So our body certain deficiency হোৱাৰ কাৰণে এই minerals বিলাক এই vitamins বিলাক deficiency কম হোৱাৰ কাৰণে তো কি হ'ব পাৰে? আমাৰ বডিত কিছুমান বেমাৰ আজাৰে দেখা দিব পাৰে। So এইবিলাকক কোৱা হয় deficiency disease. Right? So that means we have to eat these vitamins properly. Right? We have to take these vitamins properly. That means what? Again I am reading the definitions of deficiency disease. The diseases which occurs due to the deficiency of certain vitamins and minerals. So right? So deficiency diseases occur to the deficiency of. So what? uh, okay, with vitamin A, the disease which occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin A is night blindness. What? Night blindness means rati manujone dekhi napabo pare, right? Night blindness means kukuri kona buliu koa hoy. It the person cannot see, the person cannot see the person cannot see in at night, right? So night blindness. Next, vitamin C karone ki hobo pare? Scurvy. Vitamin D, ricket, and vitamin iodine, it is goiter. So remember, vitamin A deficiency hole amar body ki hobo pare? Night blindness. BLINDNESS, night blindness hobo pare. Vitamin B hole ki hobo pare? Scurvy hobo pare, right? Vitamin C কম হলে কি হ'ব পাৰে? স্কাৰ্ভি হ'ব পাৰে. Vitamin D কম হলে কি হ'ব পাৰে? rickets হ'ব পাৰে. Okay, rickets হ'ব পাৰে. আৰু আয়োডিনৰ অভাৱ হলে goiter হ'ব পাৰে. ঠিক আছে? So you have to know this, right? So moving to the next question. So next question is, how can we prevent communicable diseases? You know what? There are a number of diseases which transfers from one person to another through different ways, right? These diseases are also called infectious diseases. That means when a diseased person coughs, sneezes, or spits, or releases germs or microbes, in the atmosphere, if we touch into these things, we can get these diseases, right? So that means, how can we prevent the communicable diseases? আমি communicable diseases এইবিলাকক আমি কেনেকৈ বাধা দিব পাৰোঁ, কেনেকৈ আমি তাক নোহোৱা কৰিব পাৰোঁ? How can this communicable diseases be prevent? কেনেকৈ আমি বাধা দিব পাৰোঁ, right? So first of all, we can prevent communicable diseases by, first is washing freshly purchased fruits and vegetables by clean water. So আমি বজাৰৰ পৰা যিবিলাক freshly purchased যিবিলাক fruits আৰু vegetables কিনি আনো, এইবিলাক আমি clean water ভালকৈ ধুব লাগে. Next, use clean drinking water, right? So পানীৰ পৰা আমাৰ বহুত বেমাৰ হয়, যেনেকৈ কলেৰা, টাইফয়েড এইবিলাক হয়, হয়? So পানীৰ পৰা যিবিলাক বেমাৰ এইবিলাক কম হ'বৰ কাৰণে আমি কি কৰিব পাৰোঁ? Clean drinking water. We can boil impure water for 10 to 15 minutes to make it clean, right? So in order to remove the germs from the water, we can boil the water for 10 to 15 minutes, right? Okay. Number 3, keeping our environment clean. Okay, so that means we have to clear the drains. Okay, we have to clean the surroundings. Okay, আমাৰ চাৰিওফালে সাৰাউণ্ডিংছ যদি চাফা থাকে, তেতিয়া কি হ'ব নোৱাৰে? জাৰ্মছ বিলাকে তাত বাহ ল'ব নোৱাৰে. Number 5, washing our hands before and after taking meals, right? So আমাৰ হাতৰ পৰা বহুত বেমাৰ আজাৰ হয়, তাতে জাৰ্মছ বিলাক আমাৰ বেছি লাগি থাকিলে আৰু সেইবিলাক আমাৰ খাওঁতে পেটলৈ যায়, হয়নে? So after coming in contact with an infected person's articles, যদি যিকোনো এজন তেনেকুৱা বেমাৰী মানুহৰ আমি যিবিলাক তাৰ বস্তু যদি আমি চুওঁ, সেই বস্তুবিলাক চোৱাৰ পাছত আমি কি কৰিব লাগে? আমি হাত ধুব লাগে, right? Number 5, heating milk at a high temperature to kill germs. We know that a milk is a complete food, right? Milkot complete food বুলিও কোৱা হয়. So a milk আমি যেতিয়া খাওঁ, এই মিল্ক খোৱাৰ আগতে আমি কি কৰিব লাগে? মিল্ক কি কৰিব লাগে? গৰম কৰিব লাগে, হয়নে? হিট কৰিব লাগে, such that the germs can kill, right? Number 6, taking vaccination, right? So vaccination is another way to protect ourselves from diseases like different diseases, diphtheria, tuberculosis, polio, COVID-19, etc., right? So we can prevent these communicable diseases. So we can prevent these communicable diseases by by following these preventive measures. Ako pohi disu moi, washing freshly purchased fruits and vegetables by clean water, using clean drinking water, boiling impure water for 10 to 15 minutes, keeping our environment clean, washing our hands before and after taking meal or after coming in contact with an infected person's articles. Number 5, heating milk at a high temperature. Number 6, taking vaccination. Right. So coming to the next question. Question number 4 is, what are the things we should maintain for staying fit and healthy? আমি fit and healthy হৈ থাকিবৰ কাৰণে আমি কি বস্তু আমি মেইনটেইন কৰিব লাগে? What are the things we should maintain for staying fit and healthy? Right. So the following things should be maintained in order to live a fit and healthy life. First of all, we should exercise and play daily. So আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব? সদায় at least আমি যিকোনো এটা এক্সাৰসাইজ কৰিব পাৰো, নহলে ওয়াকিং কৰিব পাৰো, নহলে কিছুমান ফিজিক্যাল এক্টিভিটিজ কৰিব পাৰো, নাইবা আমি খেলিব পাৰো, হয়নে? So we should exercise and play daily. Number 2, we should take a sleep of 6 to 7 hours. Right. So that means after doing a lot of hard work, we need rest and sleep. Okay, that means আমাৰ ভাল টোপনি আমাৰ বডিৰ কাৰণে খুবেই প্ৰয়োজন. এটা সুন্দৰ টোপনি আমাৰ বডিটোৰ কাৰণে খুবেই প্ৰয়োজন. যদি আমি খুব ভাল আমি ৰেষ্ট নলওঁ, আমি টোপনি নাযাওঁ ভালকৈ, তেতিয়াহ'লে কি হ'ব পাৰে? আমাৰ বডিত বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ বেমাৰ আজাৰ দেখা দিব পাৰে. Then number third point, we should eat a variety of healthy food. We should eat a varieties of healthy food. Right. So healthy food means different kinds of food like vegetables হ'ব পাৰে. কি হ'ব পাৰে? Vegetables হ'ব পাৰে. Vegetable contains what? Vegetable contains vitamins, minerals. Fruits. Yes. Fruits is another very important thing, another very healthy food. It contains different vitamins. And fruits also contains raw fish and grain products and different grain products. Right. So these are the things. Milk, pulses, cereals. These are very those which are what? Healthy food. We should eat a varieties of healthy food. Right. So next point, we should drink a lot of fresh water. We should drink a lot of fresh water. So আমি পানী খোৱাটো আমাৰ কাৰণে কি হয়? খুবেই প্ৰয়োজন. Right. So drinking water is very much important. We should drink a lot of fresh water. Number 5, we should take preventive measures from diseases. So আমি এই ডিজিজ বিলাকৰ পৰা আমি বেমাৰ আজাৰৰ পৰা বাচি থাকিবৰ কাৰণে আমি কিছুমান preventive measures ল'ব লাগে. Right. So these 5 are the very most important preventive measures to prevent communicable diseases. Right. So dear students, we are coming. Let's come to the last question. Last question is, write the ways through which communicable diseases spread. এই যিবিলাক communicable diseases হয়, এই communicable disease বিলাক কেনেকৈ spread হয়? কিহৰ যোগেদি spread হয়? এজনৰ পৰা আন এজনলৈ transfers হয়. Right. So there are different means of spread. Diseases can be spread different ways, through direct contact, indirect contact, through insects. Right. So the following are the ways through which communicable diseases spread. Number of 1 is first is through air. So বায়ু বা বতাহৰ যোগেদি বহুত বেমাৰ আজাৰ কি হয় স্প্ৰেড হয় যেনেকৈ ওৱান অফ দ্য এক্সাম্পল ইজ COVID-19 right next throw food and water throw food and water the diseases like cholera jaundice and diarrhea these are the diseases through food and these are the diseases spread through food and water যদি আমি লেট্ৰা পানী খাওঁ তেতিয়া কি হ'ব পাৰে আমাৰ শৰীৰত বিভিন্ন বীজাণু আমাৰ হ'ব পাৰে ঠিক আছে তো বিভিন্ন বীজাণু আমাৰ শৰীৰত লগ লাগিব আহিব পাৰে সো হোৱাট আমি সদায় পৰিষ্কাৰ পানী খাব লাগে এণ্ড থ্ৰো ফুড আৰু ফুড ৱেষ্ট কি হয় আমি লেট্ৰা ফুড যদি আমি তাৰ জাৰ্মছ থাকে সেই জাৰ্মছবিলাক আমি ধুই যদি নলওঁ তেতিয়া সেইবিলাক আমাৰ পেটত যাব পাৰে নম্বৰ 3 throw insects malaria and dengue these are the diseases that spreads through insect number 5 through direct contact so suppose whenever we comes to the articles used by the infected persons right we can directly fall into that disease right so these 5 are the ways through which communicable diseases number 1 ki hol number 1 air number 2 through food and water ki hobo pare number 2 food and water number 3 through what insects jenenge mosquitoes hobo pare and through direct contact number 4 is direct contact right so these are the ways through which a communicable disease is spread right so students তোমালোকে কি কৰিবা এই পাঁচটা কোৱেশ্চনস কি কৰিবা তুমি তোমালোকে ৰিভিজনৰ কাৰণে আকৌবাৰ তোমালোকে লিখিব পাৰা কপিত right so thank you very much dear students